Okay. So we're in Launceston, which is in Cornwall, about 40 minutes from Exeter. And this is our new build site called Windmill Park. And on my phone, I've got some footage of 2 years ago when we first found the land. That's my business partner, Dan. It's just like a little hilly plot in the middle of town. And yeah, Dan's company, 5D Construction, have built these 9 detached houses. And I've just spent the last couple of days here with Carolina from Ademcheek, and we have styled the show home. But obviously this is the culmination of 2 years hard work, buying it, funding it, building it, and now selling it. And we've got 2 reserved, and I think now we've got the show home done, the rest are going to fly out the door. And in a minute we're going to take you inside to show you what we've done. Okay. Should we just stop it and start it again? No. We can edit it. Okay, so inside it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bedroomed house. But the real feature is this lovely big open plan ground floor with views. Well, the whole house has views over Dartmoor, just spectacular. We had a rainbow earlier. But obviously Carolina has come in and she has designed this show home in a way that I would never have done myself. It's just so clever. She's kind of zoned it, so we've got a living area here, and then a dining area, and then this amazing sort of study home workspace area at the end, which we think people will really appreciate given the events of 2020. And then a lovely open plan kitchen at this end with bar stools for the kids. And it's basically, we've got everything in here. And what's interesting is the agent came round earlier for a tour, and she just said, oh my God, it looks bigger with the furniture in, which is interesting because there is a lot of stuff in here. And yet, because it gives you a sense of how to use the space, it does feel bigger. And we've got this beautiful engineered wood floor, very Scandi feel. And Carolina has sort of picked up that wooden rustic feel with the table and various kind of vintage looking accessories, amazing light fittings, which I just think just give it a real wow factor. We wanted to do some colour on the walls, but it was just too late in the day for the contractor to help out too much on that. So instead Carolina's brought in these amazing feature bits of artwork, and then shelving and plants, a bit of Abigail Ahern, mixed in with IKEA, H&M Home. I mean, it comes from all sorts of suppliers, but the whole look is upmarket, it's expensive, it's aspirational. I mean, we want to live here. We want to live here. And these houses are priced between 325 and 350,000, which, I mean, for a detached house with a garage, I mean, yeah, it's got everything. Little market town, little primary school around the corner, 40 minutes drive from Exeter. If you were moving out of London, you couldn't do much better than this. Okay, and now we're going upstairs. Look at these amazing little features that she's done, like just the chair in the corner there. What would otherwise just be quite a boring hallway suddenly just is brought to life. Can we just show this? We've got a downstairs loo. We have got, rather packed with our stuff, but a kind of utility room, boiler room, plant room. And this house, oh my God, it's been so toasty because it's so well built and insulated. We've just been super warm and cozy. And then upstairs, Oh, this is so great. This is like, I'm so excited to show you this. We've got the master bedroom here, which we have done out in a bit of a kind of boho chic style. Oh, I love those cushions. I love the bed. I love Carolina's styling. It's just so unique, and who could not fall in love with that? Who could not? A fairly uneventful bathroom ensuite here, but you know, does the job. And then this is our little surprise room. Should I turn the lights on or not? This is just so delightful, this room. Little child's room, baby's room, toddler's room. It's just, everyone who's come in here has squealed with delight. It's just so cute and charming. And then we have got one final room, which still has the steam ironing. Spare room, just a bit of a feature wall. And again, views out over, my God, just amazing views over Dartmoor. And then we've got a family bathroom over there, which is very similar to the other one, to be honest. But, you know, just feels very spacious up here, very light and airy. And just lots of little kind of nice design touches that Carolina's brought in to give it that kind of personal touch. So sweet. And so today we've been posting on Instagram lots and lots of stories, and our investors have been reposting them, and our investors are overseas and they've just obviously got really excited to see this come together. I've been getting messages from them going, oh my God, Claire, this is what their money's been tied up in this for the last 2 years. And they've seen, you know, they've had their investor updates, they've seen lots of pictures of muddy building sites, which, God, it's been pretty bad here for the construction team. So, you know, congratulations to them. But for our investors to see it come together like this and to have it styled like this, it's like we've done everything we can to make this project fly.